Our easy scalloped potatoes are creamy, cheesy, and the perfect side dish for your next Sunday supper. Start by slicing your potatoes with a mandolin. Melt butter in a large pan over medium-high heat. Add in flour and whisk until a thick paste forms. Slowly add in milk and then heavy cream. Add in sharp cheddar cheese, pepper, and salt. Mix until everything is well combined. This will be your bechamel sauce. Place half the potatoes and onions in the baking dish and season with salt and pepper. Cover with half of the bechamel sauce. Add in the remaining potatoes and onions with another sprinkle of salt and pepper, and top with the remaining sauce. Cover and bake for 1 hour. After an hour, uncover your dish and add a layer of shredded cheddar cheese. Bake for 10 minutes or until golden brown. I love to top mine with a few sprigs of thyme. You can find more easy side dish ideas on our website.